Spoonflower is a fantastic print-on-demand website where you can order fabric, pillows, curtains, and a lot of other items. You can choose designs from independent artists, or you can even upload and order your own designs. And while it is a great service that I highly recommend, it can be a little expensive if you're on a budget. For example, an 8x8 test swatch is $5, but if you want to try a bunch of different designs and don't want to spend a fortune, I will show you how to do that today. The one catch is that if you want to do this and order multiple designs, they have to be in the same collection, which is why I've created a collection that contains all of my designs in one place. So let's get started. I've logged out of my account, but we are here on my profile at spoonflower.com/profiles/moth and rust. And if you want to purchase several samples on one yard, you'd go over here to the design collections and click on the Ultimate Moth and Rust Collection Library. And this features all of the designs that I have available for sale. And you'll want to click here at the Fill a Yard section, Start Designing. And first you'll have to select your template, and my favorite one is the cheater quilt of 1 yard, or you could get 2 if you wanted more, but I usually choose 1 yard. And then go back up here and choose your fabric, and it's available, you see, in 2 fabrics. If you want the 2 yard quilt, it's actually available in more. So it just depends. You have to play around and see which fabrics are available in which design. So let's go ahead and choose the 1 yard cheater quilt and then design your project. And you do not have to choose 42 squares. You have 42 squares available. These are 6-inch squares. For example, if you wanted the jewels here, the green ones, you would click that and then click the squares you wanted and just fill it up as you wish. So if you wanted a foot square or 12-inch square, you would do that. Let's say we want some candy corn. You could do the same thing. Or you could also just choose 1 square. And this is great for like really small projects, or if you just want a little swatch to see what it looks like. And if you decide you don't want this, you can choose another fabric, then just click over that and it'll fill it up. So really you can just play around with this all you want, depending on how much fabric of one design you want. So I'm just going to randomly fill this up so I can show you how to proceed to checkout. So once we have it full, you can add to cart, and then you can go back and create another one or view cart, and then you would just check out as you normally would. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing to my channel. Go ahead and give this video a like and comment below to let me know what you want to see next.